Hey guys, this is Kashish Nana Arya working as an intern at Pixel Apps. So today I am going to talk to you about on-demand mobile apps. The on-demand app is a platform for the customers that notes the user-generated demand at one place, that is on mobile devices. Such mobile application performs as a mediator to connect the buyers and the sellers. This means that when a customer needs a particular service, one can find a necessary service provider, order service via the app and even pay for it. The on-demand mobile applications are on very high demand with the increasing on-demand business. The on-demand applications are where the software is under the retailer's management and can be accessed by the users anytime whenever they need. In this 21st century, everyone has their busy schedules. People also prefer ordering online as they don't have the time to go and bring the product from the stores. So what are the reasons for using on-demand services? So the first is the brand of the product not available at conventional shops. Second is no time to go shopping at conventional shops. Third is wider variety of products at online shops. Fourth, it can find some unique or special products online. Fifth is prices are cheaper online mode. Sixth, convenience of online shopping. There are also so many features of any on-demand application. First is user's account. The user should have the option of choosing to register through email or phone or any other social media. Second is push notification. It plays a very important role how to increase your business through online mode and also keep the user updated with the services. Third one is contact service provider. It would be helpful for the provider to reach the user quickly if they are in contact. Fourth one is cancellation. The option for cancellation of the services should be given because the user can feel like cancelling the service whenever they want. Fifth one is help and support. It is the last one and it is very important. In case you don't understand the use of an app, he can seek the required support and help. There are also different types of on-demand mobile apps. First is person to person. This includes within these on-demand apps, one user interacts with the same user. For example, it can be on-demand service app for finding a person to complete a specific task. Second one is enterprise to a person. This is a classic example of food delivery services. In this category, enterprises provide services to individuals. Third one is enterprises to enterprises. These are the solutions created by interaction between the companies to seek profit. There are also most successful examples of on-demand app like Uber, Instacart, Starz, etc. The essential features that should be in an on-demand mobile app. Because first of all, an on-demand service app works as a marketplace with numerous buyers and sellers. Thus, your app will consist of three parts. First one is an app for buyers where consumers search for the service they need, see reviews, pricing and track orders. Second one is an app for service providers where the companies list their services and communicate with the clients. Third one is an admin panel that allows you to group the services and providers, manage feed, track payments, allow users access and etc. So guys, before moving forward, let's have some fun. According to you, which mobile apps are on demand? Tell us in the comments down below. There are also some features that should be realized. There are basic features that should be implemented. First, customized and user-friendly design. Ability to track order and delivery status. Flexibility in payment options. Social networking integration. Next one is push notifications and chatbots. The The most successful categories of an on-demand mobile app services are: first is taxi hailing. After Uber's success, more and more tech startups want to enter the taxi booking app market and become successful. Second one is logistic. This type of on-demand mobile app provides businesses with an opportunity to find a reliable transportation service provider. Since most logistics mobile app includes integrated GPS, organizations can track the location of their order of commodities supply. Third one is food delivery. This is the highest on-demand app. Recent research shows that the on-demand food delivery market is estimated to grow. Fourth is telemedicine. Telemedicine mobile application, also known as Doctor on Demand. It connects medical professionals with the people who are seeking medical consultation. App users can find a necessary specialist, schedule an appointment, and receive a consultation via video call in the comfort of their homes. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. If you are looking for a mobile app development company, check Pixel Apps. The link is in the description.